Okay guys, so I'm going to take you through the dead bug today. The dead bug is a great anti-extension exercise which really helps combat anterior pelvic tilt, which is very common nowadays. So the dead bug gets us very familiar with keeping our rib cage down during our lifts and setting our rib cage and pelvis position up for success. The dead bug is a great exercise to add into your core training, and it helps get us, like I said, very familiar with keeping our rib cage down, and it can be very helpful in between exercises such as squats, because you can then transfer what you've learned and what you've been practicing within your dead bugs into your next lift. So I'm going to take you through a few different variations on the dead bug. So the first one we're going to go for is a kettlebell dead bug, okay? So you'll have a kettlebell just behind your head. We'll grip the kettlebell with our hands, and the kettlebell is really good as it gives us some feedback and helps us create some tension on our core. From there, the next focus we'll have is keeping our lower back very tight to the floor, guys, okay? From there, we'll bring our legs up to 90 degrees. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out to bring our rib cage down. And then from there, we're just going to extend alternate legs, nice and controlled. You can see as I'm doing that, even I'm shaking a little bit. So definitely dead bug is good for all levels of your training, no matter beginner or intermediate or advanced. So the second dead bug variation I'm going to take you through is the Swiss ball dead bug. For this you'll need a Swiss ball, obviously. So the same focus is again, okay, keeping our lower back tight to the floor. But in this variation we're just going to think about keeping the Swiss ball really tense between our knees and our hands, okay? From there we'll exhale out again, and then we'll alternate arms and legs on the opposite sides, and back behind your head and out in front of you in a controlled fashion. Okay, so that can be a nice progression from the Kettlebell Deadbug as you get a little bit more comfortable with it. And the final progression I'm going to show you is just a standard dead bug, okay? So we're going to lose the ball and the kettlebell that's been giving us some nice feedback. So now we're keeping our back tight to the floor, we're creating nice tension, exhaling out to bring our rib cage down. We're going to go to the standard dead bug, okay? So exact same setup, back on our backs, keeping our lower back very tight to the floor, okay? Bringing our legs up to 90 degrees, we're going to have our arms up directly in front of us. We're going to exhale out again to bring our rib cage down, stacking over our pelvis. And then from there, we're going to extend out the opposite arms and legs and alternate between the two. So, 3 good dead bug variations to get you started. Like I said, these are going to be brilliant in between big compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, as it really helps you master that ribcage and pelvis position, which is going to be important for helping you transfer power effectively in your training. Give these a go, let us know how you get on, and I hope you found this video helpful.